Okay, so Goodman collector box. So we are gonna change the collector box on this Goodman. Not a real hard thing to do. Where's the best place? Nowhere to put this thing. Let's put it right there. Put it right there. That goes there. And I like these Melco bits, but sometimes they just don't get in to places you need. Oh, there's another one down here. There we go. There we go. And this collector box is leaking down here. Oh, I'm gonna have to take this off to get to the collector box screws. Holy smokes, how many screws you need in a collector box? That's special. I don't want to come off of there. Jeez, oh Pete. What the hell did they glue it on there? I think they glued it on there. That's stupid. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, jeez. How many screws are in this thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 screws. Seriously? $22 screws. Maybe I should use my nut driver. Okay. I wonder if it comes with a new seal. Look at that. And it's different. Oh my God, really? So that seal's thin as can be. It's nice and thick. I most likely had a problem with it at one time. Okay, let me get the seal on there. I don't think there's an up or down with this. I think it's just this one don't have as many screws. I'm just flipping it over to line holes up with. There we go. New collector box. I'm going to turn this to 2. Don't want to over tighten the screws. And here we go. Let's put the screws back in. Total of 22. I think I'm halfway done. Are you kidding me right now? I'm missing one screw. How is that possible? Get this little seal on here. There's my screw. Like yay. Get this up here. That's a stupid design, but whatever. And we won't tighten that up until I get this back in. And my two long ones go here, and where'd the other one go? Here. Okay, so this one goes, oh, I'm bleeding, look at that. How did that happen? This one goes down here. And we'll loop this so it doesn't hit the inducer motor there. And go right there. Really, dude? And that's covered there. I gotta take plugs off the old box. Cap them off. That's it. Oops, look at that, wire off. Would have been kicking myself in the butt. And that is a collector box replacement on a Goodman. What is this? A GMH95. simple procedure. I got a filter for me. Get the filter put in there. Oh sure, it fits. Uh-oh. What is going on? It turned into a disaster right away. What the hell? Oh my Lord, seriously, something so easy. There we go. And we will go turn it